Zodiac Production.
Welcome to Real Love Module 1. We'd ask at this time that you take a moment to start to prepare yourself, get your self-love journal together, pen, paper, maybe take a moment to fill up a glass of water, and all the items that you need to have the comfort and the ability to go within. I find that oftentimes setting the space with either lighting a candle or burning some sage or some incense helps to clear my mind and heart and ready it for the task at hand. We just wanted to also say that taking this step is the first step into coming within. I know for myself, teaching always reminds me and brings me back into what my own truth is, and always gives me a time also to recenter. So I'm very glad to be taking this journey with you. Get ready to sit back and relax. We're going to start first by opening up our heart with a breathing intention. And I'm going to ask you to relax, find any tension in your body, and start to let that go. If you'd like to, you're more than welcome to place your hands on your heart, just to set that intention of going inward to the heart. And breathing in through your nose, breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. I'm going to ask you to continue to do this. I'll introduce some soft music. And just take the next few minutes to go ahead and relax into yourself.